Hey guys, how to create concept map on Canva. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Canva and search for template, and you're gonna type simply concept map, right? And you're gonna see the results, and I'm gonna pick the one that has free, or let's say I want to pick this one, okay? Simply, you can now modify and add whatever concept you want, right? Let's say marketing strategy instead. Let's say plans for let's say plan for expanding, right? And of course you can modify, of course, right here, the people, the product, and place, whatever. And once you finish, you can hit save at the top right, or you can hit share, right? I'm gonna save it as an image immediately. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.